Welcome to this video of the Olixar glass screen protector. This should not take you any more than 5 minutes to complete. In the box with your glass screen protector should be a microfiber cloth, wet wipes and dust collectors. Before you begin, it's always a good idea to turn off your device to ensure that it doesn't come on while you're installing your screen protector. To start with, clean your screen with the included wipes, making sure you remove all dirt or grease from the screen. Now you'll need to dry it with the included microfiber cloth. Again, ensure you remove all moisture from the screen. Next, use the dust collector and dab it on your screen to remove any dust. Take your time with this step, as it's very important not to get anything trapped underneath the screen protector. Now, you'll need to carefully remove the back of the screen protector, making sure you don't touch the sticky side with your fingers. Carefully align the protector up and place it down. Press down on the center of the screen protector for the adhesive to distribute across the screen. Or, if your screen protector only has adhesive on the sides, please press on the sides instead. Now, work any bubbles out by pushing them towards the edge of the screen protector with your finger or the included microfiber cloth. If there's any stubborn bubbles, lift the glass up at the nearest edge and push the bubbles out that way. If your phone has an in-screen fingerprint reader, you'll need to re-add this to ensure it works as it should. And there you go, your screen is now protected with Olixar's glass screen protector.